Are you tired of being boxed in? Tired of the cramped campgrounds and the noise of the city? What if I told you there's a machine built not just to escape, but to conquer the open road? A machine that delivers the raw power and style of a supercar with the freedom and luxury of a mega yacht? Well, stop dreaming, because it's here. This is the YATRE Manta, and it is the most aggressive, most futuristic, and most capable boondocking beast we have ever featured on Motorhomes USA. Look at this thing. It's not a truck, it's not a bus, it's an off-grid sentinel on 10 massive wheels designed to haul you and your whole life's luxury far beyond the pavement. Today we're unlocking the Manta's best-kept secrets for long-term self-sufficient living. We're going deep into the power system, the custom suspension, and the brilliant hidden features that make this the ultimate luxury escape pod. Stay tuned, because you won't believe what's tucked away inside this obsidian and silver monolith. Welcome back, everyone, to Motorhomes USA. I'm your host, and today we are in the presence of greatness. This is the YATRE Manta concept, and while it looks like something plucked straight out of a cyberpunk movie, it is very much real and built for the most discerning RV enthusiasts. Why is the Manta a legend already? It's simple: durability and off-grid potential. Most luxury coaches are built for paved highways and resort campgrounds. The Manta, with its multi-axle design, that's 10 wheels in total, folks, likely with a full 6x6 or even 8x8 all-wheel drive system, is built for the lack of a road. This aggressive, low-profile stance and that sleek, aerodynamic body aren't just for looks. They're engineered for stability and efficiency, even when traversing rough, uneven terrain. Notice the black lower section. It's not just a beautiful contrast to the satin silver upper shell. It's a reinforced high-durability chassis housing the next-generation hybrid electric powertrain. This configuration gives the Manta instantaneous, high-torque power for navigating steep inclines, while the advanced generator ensures a range that shames traditional diesel pushers. Enthusiasts are raving about this platform because it promises near-silent operation in the wilderness and the ruggedness to truly go anywhere for any length of time. It's a statement of freedom. And now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the core of its boondocking brilliance, the custom modifications. Alright, now let's talk power, stability, and longevity. The Manta comes with an incredible baseline, but for true long-term boondocking, we need upgrades. The number one custom modification on this specific Manta is all about energy. Tucked subtly onto the massive, flat upper deck is a massive, nearly seamless solar array. We're talking over 5,000 watts of high-efficiency solar panels. That energy doesn't go to a standard house battery. It's fed directly into an aftermarket 60 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate LEAF FPO4 battery bank housed deep in those insulated lower storage bays. That is enough clean, quiet power to run the twin-ducted AC units, the induction cooktop, and all your high-tech gear for days on end without ever kicking on the generator. This completely transforms the Manta from a touring coach into a truly self-sufficient remote base. But what about the ride? This brings us to mod number 2, the adaptive dynamic air suspension system. While the factory suspension is great, this aftermarket system replaces it with computer-controlled air springs on every axle. Why? Because on a rig this long, you need perfect leveling and stability. This mod allows the driver to automatically level the coach in under 60 seconds. Even on a 15-degree incline, and even more importantly, it offers dynamic stabilization on the road, minimizing sway and increasing comfort. You're floating down the highway in a vehicle this size, which is an incredible feat. Finally, let's talk water. We swapped out the standard tanks for a 350-gallon insulated freshwater system and added a commercial-grade water filtration and purification system. Combining this massive water reserve with the solar power means you can easily go 2 to 3 weeks completely disconnected from society. Enjoying the peace and quiet the RV life is truly all about. These 3 mods, massive solar, dynamic suspension, and oversized water capacity, are the trifecta that turns the YATRE Manta into the ultimate long-term off-grid home. Now that we've seen the muscle and the power, let's step inside the Manta. This is where the supercar inspiration meets genuine luxury living. The interior is a masterclass in modern minimalist design, with an open plan concept facilitated by the dual deck layout you see here. The The upper level, with those panoramic tinted windows and skylights, acts as a sun-drenched lounge and sleeping area, offering a view that rivals any penthouse apartment. But what truly sells the long-term living experience? Here are the smart storage hacks and the dedicated workspace. Starting with the kitchen, it's a chef's dream. We have a full-size induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a marine-grade extra-deep stainless steel sink. The key feature here is the pneumatic lift-up pantry. It's hidden flush with the wall, but with the push of a button, reveals 4 full-size shelves for weeks' worth of supplies. This is crucial for remote living. You don't want to sacrifice food storage for design. The living area is equally impressive, with a deep sectional sofa that converts into a king-size bed and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. All designed to make this feel like a modern apartment. Not an RV, but in today's world, an RV also needs to be a fully functional office. Tucked cleverly into a slide-out on the lower deck is the remote command center. It's a custom-built desk with a sound-dampening wall, multiple charging ports, and a dedicated satellite internet dish connection, meaning you can take your video calls from the heart of the Grand Canyon. The overall livability, the high-end finishes, and the sheer amount of natural light truly set the Manta apart. Every square inch has been utilized for comfort or utility, proving that you never have to sacrifice luxury to achieve true boondocking freedom. The YATRE Manta is an experience in itself. Forget everything you know about driving a large coach. That panoramic glass cockpit gives you an incredible field of view, and the lack of traditional mirrors replaced by high-definition digital cameras eliminates blind spots. The electric powertrain provides a silent, smooth, and incredibly responsive ride. You feel less like you're piloting a huge motorhome and more like you're gliding in a high-tech train. The steering is precise, and thanks to that aftermarket dynamic suspension, road fatigue is practically non-existent. A quick word on fuel economy tips for this hybrid beast. The secret to maximizing your range is to always run in the most aerodynamic mode the suspension allows on the highway, and to utilize regenerative braking as much as possible, especially on downhill sections. The Manta is designed to recoup energy, and optimizing your braking habits can significantly extend the time between needing to run the generator. So, after touring this incredible vehicle, let's summarize the top 3 reasons why an enthusiast would choose the YATRE Manta over any other luxury coach. Unmatched off-grid capability. The combination of the 60 kWh Leaf AP04 bank, 5,000 watts of solar, and 350 gallons of water is simply the highest capacity we've seen, enabling weeks of true self-sufficiency. The supercar yacht aesthetic. It is a rolling work of art. The aggressive lines, the 10-wheel stance, and the stunning dual-tone finish ensure you turn heads everywhere you go. It's a statement. Ultimate driving comfort. The smooth, silent electric ride, combined with the dynamic air suspension, means you arrive at your remote destination refreshed and ready to enjoy your surroundings. The YATRE Manta is more than an RV. It's a lifestyle statement for those who demand the best of both worlds. Extreme luxury and extreme capability dot. And that, my friends, is the incredible YATRE Manta. As the sun sets on this perfect boondocking spot, it reminds me that the RV life isn't just about the vehicle. It's about the journey, the places it takes you, and the moments you create. This machine simply makes those journeys longer, more comfortable, and utterly luxurious. The Manta proves that you never have to compromise your high-end lifestyle to achieve total freedom and solitude. The road is calling, and the Manta is ready to answer. Now, it's your turn. I want to hear from the Motorhomes USA community. What are your best RV hacks? What modifications have you made to your rig that truly unlock long-term off-grid living? Drop your best RV hacks and essential boondocking tips in the comments below. Let's help each other live the dream. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the YATRE Manta, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to Motorhomes USA for more exclusive tours, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.